Okay, later I'll send you. Okay. Okay, so far. So this is the answer for example 6.3b. Okay, oh. If you are writing, I just give you all while to write, so don't worry. Huh? When you're ready, you can post me the next question. Or just tell me what you're doing. I can do together with you.
Oh, I also need like example 6.4b.
6.4b.
Yeah.
6.4b. Okay, your copy already. I go on. Copy already. Okay. If you want to copy, you tell me. Okay. Okay. 6.4b. Oh, 6.4b is. Okay, let me erase. Okay, this one very. This one is this morning lesson. Give me a while. I need to get another one. Okay. Okay, 6.4b. Okay. 6.4b is, I look at this. Wow, this is what we call like a fraction in a fraction. Okay, so when the question comes to you, sometimes it's always not ready to simplify, but don't worry, you can. So what I do, I was telling my class, okay, this big division sign, I will change it to look something like that. Okay, you? Maxi, okay? Can okay, so from here, then okay, if you remember, okay, before I will settle this part first. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to settle this part first before I settle the division sign. Okay. So it's just that we must tidy up our own room before we can go and visit other people. Okay, so I tidy up first. Okay. If I give you numerical values, okay, let's say 6/8 multiplied by 3/6. Then you agree with me, last time fraction will tell us that we can cancel. Correct, we can cancel. So as long as it's the top and the bottom, I can cancel. It's not cross multiply, it's cancellation. Okay, so I see, oh, nice. A and A cancel off. I get 1. B square cancel off. B power 1. Then what am I left with? I'm left with A power 1. Here I left B power 1. This C and C both denominator cannot both cannot cancel. Poor thing. So put them. Oh, okay, so I put them here. And I put them here. C and C. What am I left with? You can see A B over C square. Okay, okay, A B C square. Next thing, okay? This part. Okay, so now you all know, okay, now that I've tidied my own room, I'm going to go visiting. So divide, I change to times. We know that multiplication, divide, and times, I can just swap the numerator and denominator. Okay, so this is my second step, highlighted in blue color. Division, I have changed it to times, but I swap my numerator and denominator. Okay, then I observe ABC square. Nothing to cancel. ABC square, also nothing to cancel. So then that's my answer. Okay, I write it. When we multiply fractions, the top multiply with the top, bottom multiply with bottom. We don't have to worry about getting common denominator or whatsoever. Don't need. It's just top and top, bottom and bottom. Okay. In case you're not sure, so 6.4, 6.5, actually they are they test on two different concepts. Example 6.4 test you 6.4, is it correct? Test you how to so-called multiply or divide algebraic fractions. A, not Avengers, algebraic fractions. Okay. Example 6.5, they test you how to add or subtract algebraic fractions. So both examples teach you a different story. Okay. So from here, A, B, this is just like A times B times A times B at the top. C square is like C times C. C square is C times C. You can see that below I got 4 C's. 1, 2, 3, 4. C power 4. Below I got 2A. 1A, 2A. This will give me A power 2. using red color, B and B, that gives me B squared. So my answer is A squared, B squared, C power 4. Okay, huh? This is for example 6.4B. Okay, concept here is on multiplying and dividing fractions. If you want to see more examples, under the textbook, book 2A, they actually have a section just showing you how to do it. Like they give you some step by step. It's under page 135. Okay, under page 135. In case you want to see the textbook. That's quite good also. Hello. It's under page 135. This is the concept that they are teaching us. Can I? Don't worry, take your time, take your time. You need to write, or you need to attempt the question. You can. What question are you all doing now? Out of curiosity.
I'm doing homework practice set 4.
Practice set 4.
Yeah.
Maxim, which one are you doing?
Doing part 7.
You're doing part 7. Part 7 is this one. Okay. 7.1 or 7.2?
7.2, but I think I need explanation again.
Explanation again. Okay. Part 7 is like that. Okay, so some tips. Okay, when they say that they want to make X the subject. Okay, so this topic is called manipulation of algebraic formula. legit, this is like how we will test it lah. Okay, manipulation. So the question will come out like that one. You say make X the subject. It means that you want X equals to something, correct? So all the other variables are here. This one got no X here. Cannot have any X here. Okay, so what we want to do is, okay, we will be doing a lot of reversing lah. So we will like, if there's a times, we'll divide it over. If there's a minus, we'll plus over. If there's a bracket, we'll break. If there's a fraction, we convert to linear. So usually, if there's a fraction, let's say there's a fraction, your variables are, let's say you start in a fraction, like you see here, right? I will cross multiply to make it linear.
Will you cross multiply y and the numbers?
Correct. Y and the algebraic.
Like yeah.
So like the y, we multiply the terms together, y times this one, and this one is like 1. Y is like 1 over 1 times 2x plus 5 like that.
But why do you only cross multiply the denominator?
Why do I only cross multiply? Actually, I cross multiply both numerator and denominator. So if you see, I take y, okay, the operation is I take y multiply by this one, gray color. Then I take green, multiply by green color. Can you see? Your numerator and my denominator come together. Your denominator and my numerator come together. Like that. Okay so far?
Yeah.
And so actually these 2x plus 5, they got multiplied by a 1. But the 1, because when you write 1, is like negligible, so we can neglect the 1. So this is what it is. Okay, that's like my tip number 1. Okay, convert all fraction to linear by cross multiplying. Okay, is it my screen hang? Oh dear. No, I think my screen hang. My screen hang, so sorry. Sorry, my screen hang. Okay, I think nowadays too many people using Zoom. So the network not holding well. Okay, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Wow, okay. Sorry, I keep getting kicked out. I don't know why. The天. Okay. Let's hope it sustain. See, are you successful with 7.2?
I'm trying now, but I'm doing part 2 of the 7.1.
You
I know
are
how to do.
you're doing part 2 of 7.1, huh?
Yeah.
So quite easy. So once you want to find the value of x, when you just substitute y equals to -3. So what you do, right, is you just substitute y equals to -3 inside here. Okay? To find the value of x when y is equals to -3, you just put y, replace y as -3 into your part 1 expression. That will allow you to find your x value fast. Okay? So legit, you are doing this. You put x equals to 7, bracket -3 plus 5. Then 3, bracket -3 minus 2. You can see that I replaced my y. Here I replace my y. Wow, my internet is very bad. I don't know why. I'm gonna cry already. Yeah, I don't know why my internet is very poor. Maxine, if all goes well, your answer should be 16 over 11. 16 over.
Yeah, I got that.
Okay, good.
Well,
So
but I got negative, right? It's negative, right?
positive. Positive. Because you have negative over negative.
Oh yeah.
Become positive. Can I? Sorry, our internet a bit unstable. That's why I keep in out.
Uh,
Yeah. Hey, you call me.
I'm stuck. Wait, let me show you my booking.
Can. Sorry. I also daydreaming. Okay. Okay, I'm waiting for you to send. Hey, Jingkai never come, eh?
I asked him to come.
Okay. If he comes, he comes. If he don't come, then I'll just see what I can do with him. Maybe ask him to 5 minutes.
He said he will come like just now when I texted him.
Okay. So you
At
look
11 o'clock.
T equals to A bx squared. You got tell him it's the same code.
But I'm stuck there.
Okay. Square.
Oh shit.
Okay.
He never even text me on what.
Okay, so you see, you take this one. Okay. Oh, very easy, very easy. Okay. You take
Am I even correct?
okay. First of all, you are treating this one. Okay, 1 plus 3k. Okay. This is not a plus bx square over 1 plus 3k. Okay, ma? The fraction cannot be seen this way. So you cannot see this as this lah. Okay, ma?
Oh.
So for example, 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4, this is not the same as 1 plus 3 over 2 plus 4. This is illegal. Okay, now. Can so for this, right? Okay, you see that. Okay, you follow what I do. Okay, you restart again. You start from the first step. You start from here. I tell you what to do. Okay, you just follow my words. Okay, ready? Subtract A on both sides. Subtract A on both sides.
Okay.
Okay, multiply by 3k on both sides. Okay, ma? When
Yeah.
you have one fraction equals to one fraction, then you should have something like that. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. Break open the bracket. Okay, cannot. Okay. The term with k you keep on the left. The term without k you bring to the right side. Quite fun,
Wait,
huh?
what?
Sorry. The term with
What?
k, you keep on the left. The term without k you bring to the right.
But both numbers have K, right?
Oh yeah, you're right, Oh yeah, so stupid. Okay, wait. Okay. Wait, let me see. Am I correct? Wait. Okay, sorry. I made a mistake. Okay. P minus k or multiply by 3k equals to bx squared. Okay. Okay. From here, right? Divide by 3 on both sides. Jingkai, I'm doing 7.2. Okay. So I think they asked for 7.2. So I'm just going through. Yeah.
Wait, divide by 3 or divide by 3K?
Divide by 3 first. Divide by 3.
Okay.
Okay. On both sides. Then divide
Wait,
by
I divide by 3, that means I put K, then bracket P minus A.
yes, that's what you are left with on the left. On your right
Not the
side,
right answer.
you have bx squared over 3.
Divide by 3. Wait, oh yeah.
Divide by 3 on both sides first. Actually, you see that you want k left, right? So all these, right? These are the ones you need to throw over. Okay. You see, I want to throw this one over, I want to throw this one over. 对吗? So you divide by p minus a on both sides. You divide by 3 on both sides. So then you are left with k equals to x squared over 3 bracket p minus a. This should be your final answer.
Oh yeah.
The p minus a, you treat it as one item. Just bring across like that.
Okay.
When they say make k the subject, k must really be by itself, and no other case will ever be seen again. K is the only one left over. Okay, First and foremost, we realize that if k is a subject, k is stuck here, we need to break open all the brackets first. Jingkai, what question are you doing now? Hey, you're muted, sorry.
7.2 part 1.
7.2 part 1. Okay, can.
Any help for the B for the homework practice set 4?
Homework practice set for B. Homework practice set for 1B or 2B? 2B.
1B.
1B. 1B. Wow, it looks so scary. Okay, don't worry. So we just go ahead and do it like a boss. Okay, plus 3. Then A. Can I say it looks like that? So you can see, okay, A, you see here got 3 terms, then here got 3 terms. Actually, you can expect the number of terms you're left with 3 times 3. You're going to get 3 times 3 terms, which is 9 terms. Okay, are you ready? So you're going to get 9 terms. It's going to get very disgusting. So 1, this is arrow 1. We have A squared. Okay. Then 2, arrow 2, I have 2AB. 3, arrow 3, I have 3A. Oh shit. I have 3A. Okay, all those in blue are just me multiplying the first term. Now I use green color. Arrow 4, arrow 5, arrow 6, 6, 5, 4. Arrow 4 will give me plus 2ab. Arrow 5 will give me 4b square. Arrow 6 will give me 6b. You see whether you can handle this? Can I? Okay, now left with the third term, arrow 7, arrow 8, arrow 9. Arrow 7 will give me 3a. Arrow 8 will give me 6b. Arrow 9 will give me 9. So then you merge 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, if you observe, there are some terms that are the same. So for example, this guy and this guy. Okay, if I put them together, it gives me 4ab. This guy 3a, 3a, it gives me a 6a. 6b, 6b gives me a 12b plus 9 plus 4b square plus a square. And this is my answer. 7 terms. It's 6 terms, 6 terms, sorry, not 7. Okay, okay. Jingkai, are you successful with 7.2 part 1? Hey, you're muted again.
No, not successful.
Okay, so 7.2, you just be careful. In order to make it the subject, right? To make it the subject, please make sure that you try to minus the a over first. You try to minus the a over. Okay? You try to minus a over. Minus the a over first. Okay. You see, like, because the k is stuck here. Okay. Okay, you start from the first step. Okay, you follow what I say. Okay. Subtract a on both sides. You start from here. Subtract a on both sides. So to get rid of the a first. Okay. The idea is you want to have one fraction. Okay. So far, okay?
Okay.
Then remember the tips that I say, convert fractional to linear. So multiply 3k over. Or yeah, multiply 3k over. Yeah. Then next, you remember you want k to stay? K is a subject, right? Isolate your subject. Factorize out and isolate your subject. So k, we are going to keep on the left. This is the guy. We want to keep him for sure. K, 3 we don't want. I bring back. I divide by 3. P minus a also I don't want. I divide by p minus a. So what are you left with? You should be left with something like that. Okay, your bx squared divided by 3 divided by p minus a. Okay.
Okay.
Once you're okay, you'll look at 7.2 part 2. Then If you are stuck for too long, I will go through with you all. So far, you're okay with 7.2. If 7.2 all goes well, for 7.2, this is 7.1 answer. 7.2, your answer supposed to be negative 27. Supposed to be negative 27. Let me know if you can get.
Mr. Tan, I'm confused about the numerator part,
The numerator part.
the bx one.
Bx square, huh? This one.
Yeah.
Okay, so here, meaning what? You didn't get this one, or you didn't get bx square, or
I don't know how to do the bx.
part one or part two? Part two.
Yeah, part 2.
You're talking about part two, right? Okay, can. So once you go part two, right? Okay. So from here, I just substitute k when a equals. So from part one, right? We know this. We know that part one tells us k equals to bx square over 3 bracket p minus a, right? Okay, so b you replace b with minus 2 like that. Okay, ma? Can Okay, x you replace with 9. So x square is going to become 9 square. Is that okay?
So negative 18 square.
Negative 18 square. You think carefully. Okay. Does the negative comes first? Does the square affect the negative, the 2?
No.
No. So you collect 9 square first. The square, remember bracket and index come first. Okay, so negative 2 multiplied by 81.
Negative 36.
Negative 2 multiplied by 81. 9 power 2 is not 9 times 2. 9 power 2 is 9 multiplied by itself. It's not 9 times 2.
162.
162. That's negative 162.
Yeah.
Negative 2 times 81, negative 162. Okay?
Okay.
So your numerator will be negative 162. And your denominator, I don't know, so I haven't calculated. Your denominator should be 6. 6. Yeah. Your denominator should be 6. Very nice answer. So this is height. My screen hang. Jingkai, are you able to get negative 27?
Yes.
Okay, get, your numerator minus 162, denominator is 6. So overall 927. Maxine, are you able to get? Can okay.
Yeah, I got it just now.
Okay, good. So now you're doing 7.3.
Oh wait, something to do. I'm doing practice set. Well, okay, I'm gonna do that.
Oh, it's fine. Yeah.
I'll do 7.3.
You're doing 7.2. Okay. Now up to you.
I'll do 7.3.
I remember the last time when you asked me, you say your part 5, part 6 a bit lost. So just want to clarify again.
Oh yeah.
Part 5, part 6 is okay.
Let me see.
So I got about 5 minutes more. So I want to ask whether you okay or not. Yeah, no?
I'm part 5 because I don't think you explained to me because like I just like was to do but because I was like slow in class.
Hey, wait. So you're talking about part 5? Part 5, huh?
Yeah, part 5.
Okay. Is any part of part 5 troubling you? Like, are you able to a specific part that is bothering you? Is it an example or is it the part that you're not sure?
5.2.
1.2. This
Like
one.
I don't know, you can just go to a random one. But I think I need help with D.
Oh, wait. So, Bravo, right? Bravo, huh?
D, no, donkey.
Delta. Okay. No, okay. So what you need to do, okay, for 5.1. Okay, this one, in case you forgot, the answers are also in the class WhatsApp chat. Okay, part 4 and part 5, answers are in the class. So this one, right? You remember there are total 4 ways to do factorization. Do you remember? Okay, so this factorization method is called grouping. It's called grouping. Grouping, basically, we take the first 2, we group together, the next 2 we group together. Okay, ma? Cannot. So like this case, right? If you look at say 5.1D, okay, 5.2, okay. I take the first 2. Do you see common factor between the first 2?
X square.
X squared. Any more?
Like
Can you see both are even numbers?
yeah.
Correct. So I can take out another
2.
2. That's right. So let's take out 2. And you can see I'm left with a y plus 4. Agree? Okay, I'm left with y plus 4. Then on the right hand side, do you see any common factors?
6.
6. Very good. What else?
X.
Very good. So I left with a y plus 4 as well. Okay? And so y plus 4, y plus 4. Do you see a common factor now after you brought the first 2 and third 4 together?
Yeah.
So this is the guy that I'll bring up. Y plus 4 come out, y plus 4 come out. Hooray! Y plus 4 I put outside. Okay, so grouping, sometimes people call it common factor 2 times. They call it, you apply common factor 2 times. Take the first 2 common factor, take the second common factor. After which, you left 2x squared and 6x. Then actually, what I should have done is at the start, I should have done common factor first. There's a common factor here. Okay, I should have taken it out first. It's actually 2x bracket x plus 3 bracket y plus 4. Okay, on hindsight, what I should have done is I should have seen all 3 of them, all 4 of them. I should have done common factor. I should have pulled out a 2x first. I left with xy plus 4x plus 3y plus 8 plus 12. That would be even sexier. Okay, take out a 2x from the start. Common factor. First choice, always common factor. First choice, best choice. Always common factor first. Okay? Otherwise, if you common factor at the end, also can. Okay, I hope when we saw these 2, we realized that, hey, can common factor. So you common factor again. So I split this portion into this portion. Okay? Jingkai, got any question? You all got any question? Just feel free to ask. Oh,
But why is there only one y plus 4?
why is there only one y plus 4? Because you see, when I factorize out, correct? Can you see the y plus 4 I factorize out is outside? Factor,
Oh,
one factor. We don't see 2 times of it, only 1 time. Seven 7.1, 7.2.
Mr. Tan, can you explain to me 6.1 B
6.1.
or A?
Oh dear.
Yeah, like B or A.
6.1a, huh?
Yeah, both can.
Both can. Okay, wait. I think my screen hang. Jalan. Give me a while. I think my screen hang.
Okay.
Wow, jalan. Wait, give me a while. Yeah. My iPad cannot get into Zoom. That's why. Okay. Okay, last one. Okay, so 6.1b, basically, right? Okay, you see A and 12 can cancel. So A and 12,
No,
sorry?
can
Cannot.
4 or 2.
Sorry?
4 or 2, right?
4 divide by 4. This example, Maxine, I got do video for this. Did you manage to watch?
I don't think I watched it. Well, actually, I can go and watch though.
Actually, I got do video. You can go to my YouTube channel. I did 6.1 and 6.2.
Okay.
Yeah, cannot. Then also I got do 6.3. I'm doing currently. By tonight I should be able to come out 6.3, 6.4, 6.5. Then So quite okay, quite okay. Yeah. So don't worry lah. Basically, this one can cancel. Divide by 4, 2/3. X power 5 divided by x power 3, right? You divide by x power 3 top and bottom. This one become x power 2, x power 1, 0. Then y will give you y power 3. So this portion give you this portion. This portion give you this portion. This portion give you this portion. Like that. So I put the numerator and denominator together. Okay? Can?
Okay.
Okay. I have to go for another consult. So I'll see you again.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, Mr. Tan.
Bye.